Welcome all. This is MATLAB platform. Before going to dig more on MATLAB, let us try to know what is MATLAB. Well, MATLAB is an abbreviation of Matrix Laboratory. That is what you are giving to MATLAB, it will take in the form of matrix only. It is a numerical computing environment developed by MathWorks. So the question is, why should I learn the MATLAB? What is the use of MATLAB? So we can do mathematical equations in MATLAB, simulations and plotting. We can do various things by using MATLAB. So what are the windows in MATLAB? There are some windows. You can see here it is editor, here it is command window and current folder and workspace. What are the use of these windows? Let us try to know what is the use, why these windows are appearing in this MATLAB platform. In command window, we can give the equations, we can do whatever we can do in editor window, the same thing we can do in command window. But the difference between the editor window and command window is we can save the files in editor window, but we cannot save the files in command window. Let us give a very small code. A equals to somewhat 5, B equals to 7, and I'm giving C equals to A into B. So the answer appears C equals to 35. In this command window I have given a very small amount code. In this workspace we can observe the variables over here. So I have assigned value 5 to a variable A, value 7 to a variable B, and have given the code C equals to A into B. So C variable takes the value 35. So in this workspace it will show the variables and the assigned values to the variables. In this current folder, so what is the current folder? This current folder shows the files in the current folder. Means I'm going to save a file. I will write a code and I will save it. The file containing the folder is also contain somewhat different files. Those files also we can see in this current folder. So let us write the same code in editor. What I have assigned 5 value to A. So A equals to 5, B equals to 7, C equals to A into B. Let us try to. So that the question is how to save this file. So here in this editor menu we can see save. Just click on save and here it is, you can see save, save as, save all, save copy as. Click on save. Now you can see another window which is save a window. So in this, by giving the name of the file, I'm just giving my name as my first MATLAB. Now it is saved as my first MATLAB, and you can see here also the file name. It will show the files containing the folder and run it. By clicking on this run option, we can run this code. Here you can see C equals to 35. and here it is the file name. Before that there is no file name because it is not yet saved, but I have saved by using editor window, so you can see my first MATLAB as the name of the file. And another thing is I have given a semicolon sign after 5. Here I have also given, but I have not given after c equals to a into b. So what is use of this semicolon? Well, the answer is if I give the semicolon, it will not appear in the command window. See, I have given c equals to 5, b equals 7, but these things are not appear in this. After my first MATLAB, a and b are not appeared. It is directly appeared as c equals to a into b. For example, if I give c equals to a into b also, a semicolon after c equals to a into b, then what will happen? Will it show c equals to something value? No, it is not shown any value after my first MATLAB. And there is some commands. So there is always some history you can see in the command window. These are things I have done previously. I want to remove it. So what the command I have to use to remove this? There are the commands like clear all, closure and CLC. So let us try to give first clear all. What is this clear all command? Clear all removes all variables from workspace. Here have assigned value 5 to A, 7 to B and 35 to C. So I am giving clear all. See now, there is no variables shown in workspace. And another thing is close all. This close all command will delete all the figures which are run before the present code. So if I give the close all the figures will be closed. And CLC. This CLC deletes all previous commands in command window. See, this command window will now it is cleared. The same thing we can write in the file. Clear all, close all, CLC. Now run it. There is nothing appeared in command window. Why? Because I have assigned a semicolon after c equals to a into b. If I remove this semicolon and then run it, we can see c equals to 35. Thank you.